Hello guys, this is gonna be our video number 5 I think. So in this video we'll be looking at double angle formulas. So to find double angle formulas I'm gonna use the formulas we found for compound angles. So for compound angles you found that sine alpha plus beta is equal to sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta, right? So what is a double angle? Double angle formulas are as such: sine twice theta. So what is sine twice theta? Twice of some angle. What is cosine 2 theta? What is tan 2 theta? Right? Twice theta, twice theta, twice theta. These are called double angles because we have two here. Double the angle. So how do you tackle this? Just like you work with sine 75 degrees, sine 15 degrees, you can write this 2 theta angle using compound angle formula. So how do I do this? I can obtain 2 theta by replacing alpha and beta both by theta, right? Sine, I could say theta plus theta, right? It's easy. Sine theta plus theta, right? So the left side would be now sine 2 theta. Okay, sine 2 theta. This is what we need. So if I write this down as theta plus theta, you can write it as sine, replace alpha with theta and beta with theta, sine theta cos theta plus cos theta sine theta. So you can see here that sine theta cos theta, this is cos theta sine theta. So answer is sine theta cos theta. So this is the double angle formula for sine 2 theta, right? So what about the double angle formula for cosine? Cosine 2 theta can be written as cos theta plus theta, right? Cos theta plus theta. So you can expand this: cos theta minus sin theta sin theta. So this is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. So cos 2 theta. So this is a double angle formula for cosine 2 theta. But there are other forms as well. There are two other forms. So basically the original form is this: cosine squared minus sin square theta. So other two forms are taken by replacing either cos square theta by sin theta or sin square theta by cos theta. You can replace cos square theta by sin square theta using 1 minus sin square theta, right? So if you use 1 minus sin square theta instead of cos square theta, you get 1 minus sin, sorry, twice sin square theta. If you replace sin square theta with cosine square theta, you get 2 cosine square theta minus 1. So depending on the problem, you can select either one of these expressions. So cosine theta, originally see cosine 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. So I'm not gonna frame out the other two forms, but these can be used. What about tan 2 theta? Tan 2 theta can be written as tan theta plus tan theta. So this is, you can expand tan theta plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta tan theta. So now what is tan theta plus tan theta? Tan theta plus tan theta is equal to 2 tan theta. Tan theta plus tan theta is equal to 2s tan theta. 1 minus tan theta multiplied by tan theta gives you 1 minus tan squared theta. So this is the double angle formula for tan theta. So make sure you learn this proof and make sure you remember these formulas, because if you remember these formulas, working with problems is easy, right? Working with problems is easy. Now for example, why do we need this double angle formula? So here's the thing. Generally double angle formulas are not that important when we want to find trig ratios of unknown angles, but half angle formulas are used for that, but we will do another video on half angles. For first let's look at this double angle formulas and try to find an example. Let's say theta is 60. If theta is 60, sine 2 theta can be written as 2 sine theta cosine theta, right? So sine 2 theta is what? If theta is 60, this is 120 degrees. This is 120 degrees. Twice, when sine theta becomes 60, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, cos 60 is half, right? So one of the 2's goes off, we are left with root 3 by 2. See, sine 120. So this is another way of obtaining angles, but using the double angles you can find angles in the second quadrant or in the higher quadrants using a lower quadrant angles, right? This is one of the applications of double angles, but basically we use half angle formulas to find the rest of the angles in the first quadrant. So for now, keep this in mind because it's going to be easy when you are dealing with problems. Okay, thank you.